When I first entered this world, I was just a tiny gray sky kid. The world was so beautiful, but I always felt it. Then I discovered that animals could be treated with NPCs for expressions and outfits. There's
Isinumitian ng Department of Public Works and Highways sa DPWA sa Independent Commission for Infrastructure ay sinagawa nitong expo.
Kaya mamaya pag si baby naman tumasta na.
In morning, okay, kuya?
Kuya,
I need to pee.
in the morning si baby
I need to
Deal niya yan. Okay? Is that a deal?
Okay.
I swallow. I just swallow. Mommy, I just swallowed the chicken. The chicken.
Like outer space.
oh my gosh, look at that.
Welcome to ABC Mouse. Dive into a world of interactive games.
Finish na?
Inirekomenda naman ng ICI sa DPWA na ibabangga ng ng mga proyektong pwede mapulatan sa regional at referrals. Gusto ng ICI na igawa ng
Eleven, 12, but not 13. But not 13.
Oh, mayroon kang isa. Alin ang isa? May buwan pong.
Because it say time.
Can you please what?
That say question mark. Sauce.
Dapat pala, wala nang can. Lalagay mo na, please wipe the tables.
You see, that's question. Help me clean the dishes.
But still good. Galing mo. Very smart ah. Ah.
Lang sulog, pero lang labo.
Are you going to patay?
Lang sulog ko muna. Nakasulot ka po.
I want to use that.
Lang labo. Balik ko.
Mommy, that's enough.
Okay.
Lumitaw naman na nasa ibang bansa pa rin si ating Congressman Zaki Ko na implikado sa pagdinig ng ICI sa test. Kasama po ang kapag Immigration Visa Prohibition Order ng DOJ. Pinapatayan din ng Bureau of Immigration ang iba pang nakasama sa ilmo ng kagawaran. Samantala,
into a world of interactive.
Pangpamay talaga ang Ombudsman si Remulla nang hain na si Public Works Secretary Bill Sigol ng palareklamong conversation at draft ng DPWH engineers at mga kontraktor. Ang side-by-side syempre, pero marami na naman kami nabubuhan ng evidence.
Mami. 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 Mami.
Tawagin na si Daddy. Sabihin mo,
Mami, I
Daddy.
want to play.
Tawagin mo si Daddy. Daddy, sabi po.
Kaya na po.
Kain na tayo, Daddy.
When I first entered this world, I was just a tiny gray sky kid. The world was so beautiful, but I always felt like something was missing. Then I discovered that handles could be traded with NPCs for expressions and outfits.
Sa atin dito, to produce the evidence. Sabi ng Remulla, mataas man o mababang opisyal ng pamahalaan, kakasuhan ng ombudsman kung dapat kasuhan. Hindi sino, pero anong paso? Isisigurito natin yung ebidensya na atoon, kapag natin ang paso. So kahit mataas yan, kumabot kasi sa mga butigan, gagawin natin. Sinagot din ng Remulla ang mga patikos sa pagsakayon sa sinabi ni Senador Erwin Tulfo.
Sometimes you have to bend the law to be able to please the people. Mas mataas po ang bayan sa mata. Am I right, Secretary Remulla?
Breaking the law but not breaking the law. Diba? Kaya ano yan eh, it's a figure of speech. That is the entitlement of the senator who asked me that question. Plano rin ni Remulla na palikan ang bilyon-bilyong pisong pharmacy scandal o ang pagpili ng gobyerno ng mga tumato ay overpriced medical supplies gaya ng phase 2 noong kasagsagan ng pandemya. Kinasuhan na ng ombudsman sila dating Health Secretary at dating Department of Budget and Management Undersecretary Christopher Lau sa Sandigan Bayan nitong isang taon. Pero ayon kay Remulla, maaaring may matataas pa ng opisyal na madamay sa kaso. Siyempre. Hanggang saan na tayo abot